All right, everybody. In this one, we have a 2010 Dodge Journey, and what we're going to be doing is programming two new fob keys to it. For this one, we're going to be using the X-Horse again, just to give it another try. And if I can get in here. Oh, there we go. All right, so first thing we're going to do is go to emo programming. We're going to click on Dodge. Oh, not Benz. We're going to go Dodge. Select from model, Asia. I don't know why it says Asia, but we're going to use it. We're going to go Journey. 2008 to 2010. Toothless rotary key system or normal key. This is toothless, so we're going to use this. We're going to click on type 1. Add key of the keyless start system. Please remove the start button. Nope, we don't have that. We're going to click on. Let's go back for a minute. We're going to go start execution. All right, we're going to stick the new key in. Show you guys that. All right, the new key is in. Okay, we are going to go re-password. Switch ignition switched on. It's already done. 7F2311. So we're just going to press OK. 7F2311. We're going to go add a key. Okay, let's start system. Remove start button. Insert the wanted key. Oh, that's not what we need. So we're going to exit that because that's not our password. Unless it's the ones right after it. 2311, that's what we're going to try. Add key. 2311. Press OK. Secure success. Your log failed. Invalid format subscription. Alright, so what we're going to do is exit this. And I might just go grab another tool in order to get this done. I have number of keys. Let's see if we can read the number of keys. So that's good. Let's try type 2. I don't know what's wrong with my phone. Clear all. Well, go back in. We'll try type 2. Dodge. Select the model, Asia, Journey. Let's try 2011. This is a normal key. Yeah, I'm just gonna try 2011 anyway. Let's try this. We're gonna go re-pin code. 9188. That seems a little bit better. We're gonna go to program keys. 9188. Communicating. 9188. It put the password in for us already. We'll just press OK. Program success. We're going to press OK. We're going to remove this key. And I have one more, so we'll put in one more. We're going to go program keys. Okay. 9188. Press OK. And this one also worked. So, okay. Now we'll just make sure, just show you guys that everything works here. All right. Make sure it starts the car. That's the most important. And the vehicle started. Excellent. Let's try the other one. All right. Let's make sure it starts the car. Excellent. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.